Good morning, traders. This is the final morning of 2021. This morning we will be recapping all the events of the year, and of course we will be focusing on the markets currently. In front of you, brand new historical high. Alpha Fibonacci system identified hours and days in advance that price is heading here. This is a price in the markets since Monday. The vertical bullish rally remains intact. Since Monday, we remained firm. We confirmed every single morning. Intelligent trader buying the markets, riding institutional power. This is a software with Alpha Fibonacci system on this chart. Software plays out on multiple charts for the trading room. I project this chart. Simplicity and purity in front of you. No indicators, only pure price. Right now, market at historical high. Right now, intelligent trader understands it's entirely different game this morning. Here is the reason why. Price at historical high. Bold red line showing you that. This is simplicity and purity of the software. Timing and timing and timing again, showing you very powerful institutional longs. So what is the biggest lesson you've learned this year, including 2020? Are you seeing any crisis on your chart? Are you trading with institutions? Are you riding institutional power? Or are you keep trying to short because price creating historical highs? Are you intelligent, strategic, proactive trader? Or are you simply chasing a lucky point? Start the year right. This is how intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader trades. Identifying clear bias. Prior to the market open, we discussed shorts are not an option. We discussed this clearly the entire week. And if you are present in the trading room for the last year, this is critical institutional chart, all identified months in advance, all discussed in live classes. Vertical bullish rally remains intact. So if you're looking at your account and you're looking at multiple shorts, you have a lot to learn. Intelligent trader riding institutional power. Institutional power remains firmly long, as you're witnessing this morning. That's it. No speculation, no gambling here. The biggest bearish correction played out in the month of September. Intelligent trader knew far in advance that this level holding the key to the downside. Until then, bearish pullback is worthless, is weak. It is extremely minor profit taking. And when market viciously picked up this steam in the month of September and confirmed so this week, intelligent trader riding institutional power, not standing in front of bullish train. That's it. Do not overcomplicate markets. This is a system in front of you. This is a reason I travel the world next, meeting with hedge fund managers in the Middle East who are trading the system, meeting with retail traders in the Middle East who are trading the system. You decide what you want to trade. In front of you, historical high. Software shown you that. Can you understand the power of bold red line? Can you understand how critical this moment is? If market is not staging powerful pullback, trading will become extremely aggressive. That's it. There is no shorts. We knew this well before market open. And that's the market with Alpha Fibonacci system this week. And that's the reason I'm excited to travel to Middle East. When Mustafa quitting his job, It's a gift supporting family of 5. And when Richard quadruples his account, and you can listen to both Mustafa and Richard's podcast, I travel to meet with Richard next. And when institutional trader, bringing his brother hedge fund manager to the course, it is an honor. Choice is yours. What do you want to trade? What kind of trader are you? You decide. Is it S&P? Or is it stocks? Or is it Bitcoin? Absolutely your choice. Alpha Fibonacci system applies to it all. So as we're looking at S&P creating brand new historical high, let's review all these instruments traders globally trade since 2011. Entering year 11 with Alpha Fibonacci system traded globally on all instruments by traders of all levels. And that's the system this morning. There is no other option. Only this is present. Intelligent trader knew this well before it played out. So this is one of my favorite events of the year, Bitcoin. January 2021, bullish rally skyrocketing. Many months in advance, you know where Bitcoin would crash and burn from. Remember this email from Steve, who shows clearly he knew where to exit Bitcoin. He started taking position on Bitcoin in 2018 when we worked together in private mentoring. This is intelligent trading. Global convention is on Bitcoin in Miami. Were you buying Bitcoin at 60 or were you exiting the position? When Bitcoin reached reversal zone. Chop is on, quiet is on. Intelligent trader understands 44,000 holding the key to Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin in complete free fall, no surprise here. When Bitcoin skyrocketing from the bottom, that's it. Do you know what to do with Bitcoin today? Bitcoin at critical level this morning. This level holding the key on Bitcoin and will determine Bitcoin for months and years to come. This is Alpha Fibonacci system on Bitcoin for the entire 2021. So here's oil in front of you, traders. Remember the bullish news this week in the trading room? If you missed the events, please view the video on YouTube channel. We discussed bullish rally on oil remains intact. But let me take you back on oil to remind you. Alpha Fibonacci system for the last year. Black and white. Let's take oil further prior to reversal. Again, this chart present in the trading room for a very long time. Here's oil in April 2020. Did you know where to buy oil from? Did you? Did you know that this is ultimate bottom on oil? Let me remind you, oil with Alpha Fibonacci system before this reversal. Here's the love that started in 2018, 2019 from reversal zone. Everyone seeing this? But this is what oil looked like 6 months before. This is what oil looked like 3 months prior. Again, 6 months later, oil selling off from reversal zone. Intelligent day trader shorting the top. Option trader creating various strategies. Option traders love Alpha Fibonacci system, as I will show you next. So when oil in free fall and sell-off continues on institutional chart, intelligent trader looking at reversal zone as a negative number. Do you remember that historical event in 2020? Do you? Do you remember how spectacular the reversal was? Flawless and magnificent, breathtaking. That's it. This is oil with Alpha Fibonacci System since 2018. Oil no longer at the bottom, oil no longer the negative number. Oil at historical high, just like S&P. So when you understand the power of this, all taught in live classes, and you can view hundreds of videos in modules and video library 24/7 as students do globally in more than 50 countries, you understand. This morning oil no longer at the bottom. This morning oil at historical high. This was day trader's dream. Institutional buy point. And that's purity and simplicity of the system, that you can trade on any instrument you choose. You will never need another system again. You will never babysit. You will never stare at charts. You will trade markets as strategic, intelligent, Alpha Fibonacci chess. That's it. And when students inviting me to stay in their homes for holidays, it is an honor and reason I love what I do. I simply ask you to make an effort and decide what instrument appropriate for you. This is the reason we're doing video right now, the intelligent trader on sideline. It's pure junk. This is key moment in front of you now. Intelligent trader not wasting brain power, understanding quite well. The only option in the current markets is a powerful pullback. It's a reversal zone, do you see the world? But if price is not reversing, nothing here to do. This is exact same thing that's happening right now on Amazon. Identical. Selling off. Have you seen the bad news on Amazon? How is it possible Amazon sold off more than $500 per share? If I take you back to this chart, what do you see on Amazon? Tell me. Here's Amazon for the last year. Here's February 2021. Here's the market 11 months ago. You knew in advance? Reversal zone to follow, not the place to buy. If you're buying reversal zone, your success rate less than 20%. That's the reason for sell-off on Amazon. $500 per share. So if you understand that trading on the news will never make you money, and if you learn the lesson that the only thing that works is pure price and precise predictive Alpha Fibonacci system, the sky's the limit if you make an effort, if you decide what you want to trade. Again, traders, this is massive junk and this can remain for many hours. Intelligent trader not wasting brain power, staring at the screen, not losing money. This is broker's heaven, price in massive chop. This can remain for the remainder of the day. So here's Euro with Alpha Fibonacci system for the entire year. Let me take you back to December 2020. If I click on this chart, what do you see? Tell me. You knew months in advance that this is not the place to buy euro. It's Alpha Fibonacci institutional reversal zone. It's black and white. Buy the bottom, not the top. That's it. Here's euro. Selling off the entire 2021. Here's euro in July. Do you understand the power of this? Are you done being a majority that never makes money? Are you ready to trade pure price? If JP Morgan traders whom I mentor do not chase junk indicators, why in the world do you? If hedge fund managers do not chase cheap systems, why in the world do you? Why aren't you focusing on what indicators made after? Pure price is all that matters, no matter what you trade. And when euro will crash to historical high, and Bitcoin to historical low, and Bitcoin will do the same, intelligent trader will be ready to buy the bottom. That's it. This is key level on euro now. But if I bring to your attention gold and reminding you, do not gamble, understand when to be on sidelines. This is broker's heaven. This is where broker printing money, and price can be here for the next 2, 3, 4, 10, 15, 20, 30 hours. Price is not crashing at historical high, price creating brand new historical high. Here's gold, traders. Did you know where reversal zone on gold is at 2000 level? Do you? It's exact same thing. When gold selling off, this is stunning reminder. Do not overcomplicate markets. And when gold sold off, did you know where the bottom on gold is? Here is gold now. Again and again and again. With Alpha Fibonacci system, you know, institutional bottom and institutional top. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. Remember forever, the most important part starts with preservation of capital. I teach you exact same thing I teach to Palm Beach hedge fund manager, to Dubai hedge fund manager, to London hedge fund manager, who is bringing his son to the course. What are you waiting for? Understand the power. If Dominic does at the age of 14, so should you. It never gets old. It is a family affair. It is an honor. So please listen to the podcast from father who brought his son to the course and make an effort. As price keeps reminding you, preservation of capital the most important part. Intelligent trader not touching this. Intelligent trader interested only in quality trading. So thank you so much for spectacular 2021. Thank you so much, everyone. It's been an absolute honor being here. As traders trading globally, Alpha Fibonacci system in more than 50 countries, I hope you learned your lesson very clearly. There is no crisis for top 1%. So when you start thinking as top 1% does, when you start trading as top 1% does, the sky's is the limit. That's what it's all about. So when you start understanding and trading with power, when you start separating where to trade, when not to trade, when you start understanding that preservation of capital is your most important step, you will join the ranks of successful Alpha Fibonacci traders in more than 50 countries. You can always join us in the trading room to see the power of the system in the live markets. And when you review everything on the website, you will see clearly. This is institutional system traded globally on all instruments. Listen to podcasts of traders, please. If they can do it on all instruments, all platforms, so can you. New podcasts constantly uploaded. View the emails I receive. I look forward to receiving your email. I look forward working with you. Simply choose from 4 options appropriate for you. This is live classes, 3 months group course, 4 months private mentoring, includes all group classes. Video library and modules available to you. So please review students' emails. More and more emails uploaded constantly. Choice is yours, what you will decide to trade. That's it. It never gets old. The sky's the limit if you make an effort with Alpha Fibonacci system. Again, listen to our podcast channel. And remember forever, I live and breathe what I do. If you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much for spectacular 2021. I look forward to working with you. It all starts with pure price. You will never need anything else. Pure price for entry and Alpha Fibonacci for exits. That's it. Thank you so much, everyone. I look forward to seeing you in live classes in 2022.